Hello students, today we are going to start our next lesson 1.2 The Thief Story. In every lesson we have warming up activity. Here in this lesson also we have one warming up activity. See here, first one, read the following incident. Here one incident is given and based on that two activities are given, activity A and activity B. So first of all we have to understand, we have to read this incident and based on that those activities we have to complete. See, Lokesh had always been a class topper in test and examination. However, invariably he used fall means during exams to gain those high marks. Once, on the day of history examination, Lokesh realized that his classmate and friend Farhan came all prepared for maths instead of history. Farhan had become desperate, so Lokesh offered to let him copy from his answer sheet, since Farhan sat just behind him. Farhan refused. He said, "It's alright even if I get a zero, but I can call it my own zero. I do not want to score a single mark unearned. Cheating in exams is for cowards, not me." These words were a turning point in Lokesh's life. He gave up cheating forever. He worked hard for what he desired and never ever used false measures to acquire anything. So, see here in this incident, total two characters are given there, two friends are there. One is Lokesh and second one is Farhan. So, Lokesh was always a class topper. But the surprising thing which was about him, he was always using false means for gaining those high marks. So once there was history paper and on that day he realized his friend Farhan, he prepared all for maths instead of history. So Farhan became so much desperate. Then at that time Lokesh said him, if you want to copy, you can copy from my answer sheet, as he was just sitting beside him. But Farhan said, first of all, he refused that completely. Then he said, it's alright even if I get a zero. At least I can call it in my own zero. I don't want to get a single mark also for which I didn't study. Then he said, cheating in exam is not for brave. Cheating in exam is for cowards, not me. These words were a turning point in Lokesh's life. See, a turning point it means from the point where everything is going to be changed. So these words were a turning point in Lokesh's life. He gave up cheating forever. See, give up. Give up is the phrase. Here we are using past tense of that gave up. Give up it means to stop to do something. So here he stopped cheating forever. He gave up that completely and then he worked hard, whatever he wanted to get in his life he got it, but he didn't use any wrong means after that. So here on the basis of this activity, on the basis of this incident, here two activities are given which we have to just complete. See, in the given story, which words or phrases can be replaced by the following ones. It means there are certain words which words can be replaced by the given words. See, suppose became aware. Became aware word can be replaced by the word which is given in the incident. So first word we are going to talk. I'll give you the answer of first. Rest of the answers you have to find from the incident. See, became aware it means what? Became aware it means, see, third line, Lokesh realize. So realize is the word that is used for became aware. Now there are certain another words, you will have to find out meaning of those words from the incident, like always, very upset and helpless, cheating without working for it, a sudden change, then gain or achieve. These are the words. These words can be replaced by the words which are given there in the passage. You will have to read it carefully and accordingly you will have to use the same meaning word from the incident. This was one activity. Now come to the second activity. Summarize the incident in 6 to 8 lines, making Lokesh the narrator. Here, Lokesh should be the narrator, like you have to consider yourself as a Lokesh and then you will have to write it. So, here beginning is given. I was always a class topper. Then you have to start. I was always gaining high marks, but I was cheating for gaining those high marks. So these all the words are there which you have to use. First of all, you should remember one thing from here. You have to consider yourself as a Lokesh and then you will have to summarize it. Total 7 lines are given, but students they can write this incident in the in the notebook and then you can submit me afterwards. Then come to the lesson now. The thief's story. Ruskin Bond is the writer. He was born in the year of 1934. So, Ruskin Bond is an author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landur in Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra for his published work in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 as well as he was awarded with Padma Bhushan in 2014. So, whatever contribution he has made to the literature regarding that we just talked here. Now we are going to start the lesson. Here in this lesson, first of all we will talk about the characters and how it goes. We will just see it. I was still a thief when I met Anil. And though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So first of all we are going to talk about narrator and second character is there, that is Anil. So narrator is thief here in this lesson. That's why it's given the title in the same way, the thief story. So narrator is just 15 years old when he met the Anil. Then he is just describing himself as an experienced and fairly successful hand. It means whatever activities or theft activities he had done, he had fairly successful in those activities. Then now come to the next. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So, as he was a thief, first of all, he just wanted to win his confidence. Only after that, he was allowed to cheat him. So, he approached to the Anil. At that time, Anil was watching a wrestling match. So, here certain information is given about Anil also. Here, narrator was just 15, but Anil was about 25. He was tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind at the same time simple enough for his purpose. Then now he just wants to win his confidence. If somebody is going to win the confidence of somebody, only then and then we can cheat those people and these people they can trust us. So here in the same way, first of all he is going to win his trust and later on definitely as he had fairly successful hand he is going to cheat him. Now see, you look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Flattery it means to praise somebody. First of all, he said, "You look a bit of wrestler yourself." He was thinking, if I'll praise him, if I'll praise Anil, so then Anil will definitely like it, and then in the same way he will respond me. So he asked him, I think you are looking a little bit of wrestler only. And in the same way he thought, or earlier also he must have done the same things for winning somebody's confidence, because he has one statement from his side: a little flattery helps in making friends. Then, so do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. Then he replied him, so do you? In the same sense, he replied there, but at the same time, he realized he is not the person who is going to fall in my trap due to this flattery and all. Then, well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. Then he said simply modestly. Modestly, it means seriously or obedient manner. Then, what's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of police and my former employers. So every now and then he was taking a new name, and as he was asked the question what his name was, then he answered there Hari Singh. He lied there actually. There was one reason. If he was supposed to tell his real name, so definitely he was supposed to be caught by the police and of his former employers. That's why only he was taking a different name all the time, and with the help of that only he was always ahead of police, at the same time his former employers. Students will continue the remaining lesson in the next lecture. Thank you.